In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Roblox account to another device. So, let's start by opening the Roblox sign-in page on my computer. Now, you can do this on any device, whether it's a mobile phone, tablet, or computer. Once you're on the Roblox login page, go ahead and select Use Another Device at the bottom. Here, you'll see two options. You can either scan the QR code or enter the code shown below it. I'm going to use the code method. Now, let's move over to the mobile device. Open the Roblox app, and once you're signed in, tap on More in the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down and select Quick Sign In. At this point, enter the code that appeared on your computer screen, just like this. Once you've typed it in, tap Enter. You'll now see a confirmation pop up on your computer, asking if it's really you signing. Simply click Confirm Login, and that's it. You're now signed into Roblox on your computer. This process essentially connects your account to another device. If you want to manage all your active devices, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Select Settings, then Security. Scroll down and you'll see a list of all the sessions and devices currently logged into your account. To log out of any session, just click on it and press Log Out of Session. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.